Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can delete all the data on your iPhone before selling it. Firstly, you need to back up your data, whatever is in your phone, and how you can back up it. Just go to the settings. After going to the settings, as you can see that this is your iCloud or Apple ID, just tap over here and there is an iCloud option here. Tap on here and you can verify to this option iCloud backup. Make sure that tap on it and then there's an option backup now. You need to press it down and it will store all the data to your iCloud, and whatever you want to, you can select from photos. As I have disabled the photos, you can second down and transfer all your data from your phone to your iCloud. Once you have done this step, what you need to do is just go to the settings here. Go to settings and then general option here. After going to the general option, swipe down and there is transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this button and as you can see that there is an option erase all content and settings. It will automatically erase everything within your phone and make your phone factory default, just like you have bought from an Apple store. I'll redo the erase content thing. Just go to the settings. After going to the settings, you need to go to the general. After going to the general, you need to swipe up and you can see that there is a transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and you can erase all the content and settings from your phone after storing everything in your iCloud. Once you have done this, you can sell your phone to anybody and it will automatically delete everything and no data of your phone with no data of your personal things into your phone. Everything will be stored in your iCloud, and once you have set up a new phone, just put your iCloud ID and everything will be there. So that's how you can easily transfer your data as well, and also delete all the data from your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this has helped you out. Bye bye.